Alright, Leo, put them in your hand, hold your hand out flat, and then the goose will come over and eat it out of your hand.
All the pigeons.
All the pigeons. It's what you want, Leo. Yeah, I'll show you how, Leo. What you do is you do it like this. Put them in your hand like this. Try that. Okay, you don't have to try.
I want to see the
It's like that.
Good one.
There you go. Put your hand out flat. Put your hand out flat.
The duck just tickled me.
You want to try?
The duck.
Slip into it.
Okay.
You want to try? Here, you try. You put your hand. There you go. Some more.
Thank you.
That's okay.
Good. You want to taste
What
it?
the? There you go, baby.
Bye-bye.
I need them.
Which one is your
scared. I
favorite?
reckon I could probably catch one.
The
Yeah,
goose.
they would just come with.
Whatever. Hey, goose. Goose.
I can see.
Which one is your favorite bird?
Is it the big goose?
Yeah.
Is it the big
But
one?
it's a bit scary, isn't it?
Yeah. And it just tried to eat the pigeon.
That's good.
The big goose just pecks the pigeon.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
Yeah, give them more.
Hey, Dad, one of them were pecking, one of the pigeons were pecking my shoe.
Look
Yeah,
here,
you
look.
probably had a little bit of food on your shoe.
Look, don't move.
Dad,
Do you want to try, Carrie?
one
Don't
of
the
pigeons
Don't move.
wings just
Whoa. Excuse me, why don't you help yourself, Mr. Man? Oh,
We could learn how many more things that went off.
I'm surprised the goose isn't like a little bit more forceful.
very,
Hey,
very
hey.
nice goose.
You're too polite, Mr. Goose.
Yeah, the pigeons run this place.
They do.
Why did step on my shoe?
Oh my God.
Dad!
Stepping on my...
Dad!
Oh, all right, bye pigeons. Let's get the duckies quick before the pigeons come back. Quick, before the pigeons come back for me. Quick. Oh, no, they're back.
Oh,
Oh, man. Yeah, why don't you just straight
Yeah,
out?
there you go. That's
Look,
a bit.
Cammy, look.
Look at the goose. Look at the goose. Leah, do you want to give it to her to hold and she can feed the goose?
You want to try, Cammy? Try like this.
Want to hold it?
Hold it. Hold that. Hold it. Okay. Don't be scared. Mr. Goose is nice. Whoa.